Okay, to solve a problem like this, there's two things we need to understand. First, what is the area of a rectangle, and second, what is the perimeter of a rectangle. The area is base times height, or length times width. And the perimeter is the distance around, so we add up all the sides. So it's 2 times the length plus 2 times the width. Let's start with the area. I know the base and I know the height, or the length and the width. So to find my area, I'm going to take my 3 square roots of 2 and multiply it by the square root of 32. Now, because it's multiplication, I can multiply the inside of my radical with the inside of this radical, or 3 times 32. This 3 is outside the radical, so I can't multiply with that. That stays outside. I get 3 times the square root of 96. The next thing I want to look at, does this simplify? And yes, it does. So I have to remember how to simplify my radicals. Start with the factor tree. Go ahead and try that now. Hit pause, simplify the radical, and then check your answer. So, hopefully you were able to simplify. We see that there are actually a pair of 4s, or 2 pairs of 2s if you went all the way down to the primes. And I have this 3 out in front. I need to multiply those all together to get 12 out in front of the radical. The leftovers go inside, 2 and 3, I multiply those, and I get 6 inside the radical. That's my area, 12 square roots of 6. And then I look at the units. There's no units provided, but if they were, my units would be squared. The perimeter is the second thing I have to understand, and that is 2 times the length plus 2 times the width. Okay, the length here is 3 square roots of 2, and the width is the square root of 32. So if I do 2 times the 3 square roots of 2 plus 2 times the square root of 32, I again have multiplication. 2 times 3, I get 6 square roots of 2 plus 2 square roots of 32. Right now I cannot combine these. They're not like radicals. They're not like terms. But I do always have to check if they simplify. This radical is already simplified. It simplifies no more. I do have to simplify and can simplify the second radical though. Go ahead and simplify the second radical now. Hit pause and simplify, please. Now I see once I simplify this radical, again I have the pair of 4s, I multiply that with the 2 in front, and I have an 8 square root. There's a 2 left over. Bring the 6 square roots of 2 down. I now have like radicals. They're both square roots of 2. Because they're both square roots of 2, I can add the coefficients. 6 plus 8 is 14. And I keep the radical exactly the same. I don't have units here, but if I did, I would not square them because this is just a one-dimensional question.